Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can export source code files from Replit AI. So as an example, I have created a tic-tac-toe game on Replit right here, and let's then go ahead and export the source code. Now to do this, it's extremely simple. All you have to do is to simply navigate through the folder icon right here. So just click on this specific icon. In my case, I'm already inside my folder, and then let's go ahead and say that I want to download a single file. So you can just click on the three dots of that specific file, click on the download button, and from there you will be able to download this specific file. Now if you want to download the entire program, you can just go ahead and navigate through the files icon or section, click on the three dots, and from here you then want to download the software right here as a zip. So just click on it and then you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.